How to change audio language in VLC Media Player. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, let me show you by opening a document in Media Player, and I will open it using VLC Media Player. So simply pause the video and then right click on the video. After that, go to audio. Now go to audio track, and then if there are more languages or more audio languages in your video, then it will show you over here. Other languages as well will be shown right over here, and all you have to do is select the one that you like the most, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.